Hi and welcome to Module 6, Acid and Base Reactions, and this is video number 5. We've looked so far at a couple of different reactions. We've looked at acid plus a base and acid plus a carbonate, and this is the final in those 3 different types of reactions. Now we're looking today at acid plus a metal reaction. So that's when our acids react with a metal. These ones aren't so much neutralization reactions, they are more of displacement, where the metal's actually pushing out the cation in the acid. So in this case it's a hydrogen that is being displaced, and we are then forming a salt by the same methods that we have before and producing this time a hydrogen gas. So you'll notice this time there's no water, so no neutralization is taking place. Again, something you've seen before and should by now be quite familiar with. And our formation of our salts. So what we're going to do is go through just a couple of examples and then get you to have a go as well. So let's try again with a typical reaction you're familiar with. We've got our hydrochloric acid, again by now it's aqueous, you've heard that enough. Our magnesium metal, it's a solid, and we are going to produce a salt. So we don't have anything other than the magnesium there, so it's going to be the metal is going to be our magnesium, and the chloride is going to come from our acid. Magnesium is 2+, chloride is 1-, so it's going to be MgCl2. And from our general equation, you would have seen that hydrogen being produced was a gas. Again, look at your solubility rules that you've got next to you. Magnesium chloride is aqueous. So again, we need to balance it and make sure that it is, and all our states are in there. So let's have a go at writing the net ionic equation. We've got 2H+, and they'll be aqueous, but again, I haven't been writing those because of time, but you certainly should get into the habit of writing them in. Plus our magnesium solid, producing magnesium ions, 2 chloride ions, all of those are aqueous, and our hydrogen gas. So again, let's go through and cancel out where we can, and you'll find that that's really all we can do. So our net ionic equation, 2H plus aqueous plus magnesium solid, producing magnesium ions, aqueous, and hydrogen gas. Another one you can have a go at, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, aqueous, plus zinc, which is solid, forming zinc, sulfate. Again, look at your sulfate rules, plus a hydrogen gas. Have a go at that to do a net ionic equation and see how you go.